Sky Blue Credit Review Usage Experience. In this Sky Blue Credit Review, I'll walk you through the key features, my experience using the service, and who it's best for. You'll find links to the product in the description below. Sky Blue Credit is a credit repair service designed to help individuals improve their credit scores by addressing errors, discrepancies, and negative marks on their credit reports. It's ideal for anyone who wants to take control of their credit but may need professional help in navigating the complex world of credit disputes. Whether you're dealing with late payments, collections, or even bankruptcies, Sky Blue Credit offers the tools to challenge these issues with the credit bureaus and creditors. One of the standout features of Sky Blue Credit is their straightforward pricing structure. They charge a flat monthly fee with no hidden fees or long-term commitments. This makes it easy to understand the cost of their services upfront. Additionally, Sky Blue Credit offers a personal credit analysis that helps identify areas of improvement. Once you sign up, they begin working on your behalf to dispute negative items on your credit report, and they provide monthly updates on your progress. The process is fairly hands-off for the client, which is great if you don't have time to handle credit repair on your own. However, it's important to note that Sky Blue Credit's services may take a few months to show significant results, as the credit repair process requires time and persistence. Their customer service team is responsive, providing support through phone and email if you have any questions along the way. Sky Blue Credit is a great option for people looking for an affordable and straightforward credit repair solution. If you're ready to improve your credit score with professional help but don't want to break the bank, Sky Blue Credit might be a great fit. Check the links in the description for more information and to get started today.